Good morning. We are on our first official week of no school, and this is actually really weird for me because we haven't had a summer vacation. Like, we've year-round school for 5 years. It helps to spread out the curriculum. It was a lot of work. It made it easier to spread out the ABECA curriculum across the whole year. But with Monarch, there's actually a summer break and you don't need to spread it out. It's not as intensive as ABECA was. So this year, for the first time in 5 years, which means that my youngest has never had a summer, well, actually she has, because she finishes because she was really fast, but she also is fixing to start 4th grade, so it was a little bit different. So today I thought I would just take you along on starting our first full week of summer vacation. I am planning on doing like summer camps and like summer at-home themed camps. We're looking at either a space/Star Wars themed camp. We've got a couple of other ideas. We always do like a lot of history-based stuff the week of the 4th of July. Matt's off that week, and it's usually really crowded around here because we live near a lot of lakes around here. So we don't really go anywhere for the 4th of July. We just usually have like a staycation at home every year, and then we take a big family vacation like the first week that public school starts back because it's not as crowded. So we have some ideas for doing stuff like that, but this week I told them they could basically almost free range. It could be things, what are some things that they want to do? What are some things they're interested in? And to start writing down lists of things that they do want to do in the coming months of school, because we're actually off for like 3 months, but they've completed their 180 days. So I was like, okay, let's go for it. So the first thing I'm doing this morning is I'm actually working on to where I will start editing videos in the morning before the kids wake up. Matt's already left for work. He left about 15 minutes ago. So in the mornings right now, my goal is to get videos edited and uploaded while they're still in bed and get that done. I've already had my breakfast, had coffee, and I'm fixing to deal with this. A lot of people say that they've never seen me like with my hair down because I'm usually working around the house or on the go, and with long hair I prefer to just have it up. But ta-da! It's actually kind of getting long and wavy right now. I so want to get a haircut, but it's not like a huge top priority. So fixing to go and get my hair up, because that's also why it's wavy, is because I always keep it up. But yeah, before I brush it in the mornings, it is super wavy, and it has like a slight curl to it, but like nothing up here. Everything up here is always like either frizzy. But I'm gonna go deal with my hair, get it up out of my way, work on editing a video. I'm actually uploading the video today of us telling the kids they were on their that they just completed the last day of school and we're starting summer vacation. So I'm going to work on that today. I may work on a Motivational Monday video as well. It's Monday. Yeah, I always work on Motivational Monday videos as well. But yeah, so we're also going to try to do that. We're going to try to, through the summer, keep up those, because everybody seems to like our Motivational Monday videos where we do like little snip clips through the week of cleaning small spaces a day. I don't know otherwise how we're going to like schedule or routine things. I kind of want to leave it up to them. I'm also trying to kind of plan stuff so they're not on electronics all day. They really love playing this new math game, new to them, called Prodigy. So they really love playing that, and it's math and it's great, but I don't want them like on electronics all day. And they also have like morning quiet devotional time stuff that they do from the church website. So they're kind of wanting to keep up with that because it helps them keep up with like stuff while we're away right now. I'm gonna try to get this done before the kids get up, and then we'll probably work on cleaning. On Mondays, I'm probably gonna focus on cleaning the most, because over the weekend, I try not to push cleaning as much. Are you the same way? We don't try to push cleaning as much on weekends, so the kids can have more time to just play and be with their dad, who works all week. Like this past weekend, we did our Mulan party, and then we just had our Sunday, and we try not to do like any chores on Sunday, just have a day to let everybody rest and refuel for the week ahead. The girls are up. They've reheated breakfast. We had leftover French toast from the weekend that they ate. So they reheated their breakfast. They are reading while I finish up. Normally whenever I'm uploading videos, in the process where it's buffering from edit to save to where it will go up to YouTube, I will come in here and start laundry in the mornings, even on school days. I'm actually on my second video because last week I actually took a sick day because allergies. So I'm going to finish starting the first on laundry, go get the video up to YouTube, and then we'll pretty much be free for the rest of the day to work on stuff. Probably gonna do chores. Madeline's sewing already right now. I told them that when they wake up in the mornings on non-school days, they get up and just find reading, something quiet to do until I'm finished. Then once I'm finished, we will do stuff together. But like I said, because it's Monday and we kind of need to get some stuff done, I'm probably going to focus on getting some housework done today before we do like fun stuff today. We're almost done with our daily chores, and now it's time for me to do one of the weekly chores. So we wipe down the bathroom every day, but we do like a pretty thorough scrub down once a week. So that's what I'm going to work on right now, while Sarah's finishing up her bathroom, Rebecca's finishing up the living room, and then Madeline is working on finishing up her chore chart for the day. So they're going to take care of that. I'm going to take the towels out of here, take the trash out, take everything out, and give it a good scrub down. Bathroom done. Both bathrooms actually are technically done. So the next thing we're gonna do is go eat lunch. Lunch today is we're doing these chicken patties. We get them when they're on sale, and you can get them for $3 a bag. There's 11 patties in there, which makes over 2 meals, because 11, you know, there's 5 of us. So, but it's like $1.50 a meal plus the bread, mayonnaise and all that's pretty basic, and then a can of carrots for like 50 cents. So roughly $2.50, $3, depending on how much bread we use and mayonnaise and all that for one meal. We thought, you know, it wasn't too bad. Go for it. So eventually we're going to have a grate put over that, but for now it kind of makes a fun place for them to just kind of kick the soccer ball, because our driveway kind of slopes down and we don't really have a flat part in our yard for them to play soccer. Unless she kicks it under Dad's car. You have a hole in your dress. Hi, Sarah. Oh, hey, it's raining.
Not that much. It's sprinkling for a while. Yeah, it feels great.
Okay.
Because it's smothering hot out here.
Yeah, how is it we started the month off with frost, and now it's not even the end of the month, and we're to it being hot and humid?
Adorable! Little ladybug.
What's your favorite bug?
Ladybug. Spiderweb.
While they're out here playing, I may have them go over to their part of the yard and then work on this part of the yard real quick and knock out some of the stuff for just weed eating, because Matt and I split the yard work responsibilities, and I do a lot of the weed eating and then he does the push mowing. What were you talking about?
Blackberries are blooming in our hill.
Yeah, we have blackberries up there. So yay, it's almost blackberry picking time. Fun.
Yep.
And he's fussing because he can't come out. But yeah, I'm probably gonna get the weed eater out real quick and knock down some of this weed eater stuff. And it's gonna be raining by the time he gets off work, so that way I can just knock it down. And that's one less thing for both of us to have to take care of this week. So we usually have this rule that on school days, if they finish on time, all of them finish on time, and they want to watch a movie before 3:30, it has to be a documentary. Well, now that we have Disney Plus, we can watch Disney nature videos, and today Rebecca wants to watch penguins. So today we're going to watch penguins. While they watch that, I'm going to go ahead and get in the shower. Really glad we came in whenever we did come in, because that storm moved in a lot faster. And I was able to get out of the shower like just in time. So I got all that grass cut, and now it's storming. So it's like, yay, it's just gonna go right back. But it's okay, because I like the way that it looks right now. it still needed done. So now we're just gonna wait out the storm and see if we can pick up on anything else whenever it's over. Storm finally let up. It came like, what, an hour and a half early? Mm-hmm. They were like, oh, it's gonna hit around 3. Yeah, 1:30 it's storming and pouring down rain. So now we are going through chore charts. Okay. And basically all I do, all their chore chart, they show me things they've completed and then we get through it together.
Cat.
You're a what?
A crazy cat lady.
Let's get this done.
So we bought some rings to size for making jewelry. They're there, trust me. It won't zoom. And we just found out that according to these rings, Rebecca's ring size is the same as her mother's.
But theirs are bigger than mine.
Yeah, theirs are bigger. So we're gonna try her ring on her.
And this is my original wedding band.
Yeah, this is her original wedding band.
Oh, it does! It fits me!
Oh, by the way, you are not getting married anytime soon.
That's not going to fit.
That's her middle finger, Mom.
No.
Without getting it off.
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
No.
Please.
That way.
It gets stuck. I'm greasing your finger. Yeah, no. Don't.
Pull it off.
Don't. There we go.
So, this is fascinating.
I have bigger fingers than my mom.
I have delicate little hands. It's 4 o'clock, so let's throw some dinner together. And I'm thinking tonight bacon, egg, and cheese biscuits. Because I'm actually trying to think of like some make-ahead breakfasts through this week to get us through the week. And also, Matt usually buys like frozen biscuits, but he didn't buy any this past week because I forgot to tell him and he forgot also. So I thought I would make some homemade biscuits for him. So I'm going to start some bacon in the cast iron, and I use this really large cutting board to do biscuits because it keeps everything on here instead of having to scrub the counter completely down twice before and after. So we just do it on here. This gets hand washed. This gets hand washed, and then I'm also going to start the larger skillet, the larger nonstick skillet on the back burner for doing omelets because I have a lot of shredded cheese but not a lot of sliced cheese. So I'm going to make omelets, flip them, and then once I flip them again, I'm going to put cheese on them, melt them on it, then take half of each of those for one biscuit. Started storming again right after dinner. We thought it was just rain, and then we heard thunder again. So that's it for today's vlog. Thank you for following us along, and we will see you next time.